Discover the power of Microsoft Teams Loop components for seamless collaboration. Readers like you help support MUO. When you make a purchase using links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission. Read more. Efficient collaboration tools are the need of the hour. Yet, the introduction of more tools can sometimes lead to more confusion rather than dilute it. To address this challenge, many platforms are adding new in-app collaboration features. MUO Video of the Day Scroll to continue with content. Microsoft Teams, which is already widely adopted for internal communications, has introduced loop components to further streamline collaborative work. Whether you're keeping track of tasks, conducting polls, or co-writing content, loop components have you covered. Here's how you can use loop components in your Teams app for enhanced collaboration. What are loop components on Microsoft Teams? Loop components are modules within Microsoft Teams that enable collaborative work. You can co-edit these components with other users within the Teams chat where the component is shared. You can edit the components inline and view other users' edits in real time. Loop offers the following types of collaborative components: bulleted list, checklist, numbered list, paragraph table, voting table, task list. How to create loop components. Creating loop components is straightforward. You can do it directly from your Teams chat. Here's how. Go to the desired chat box where you have your collaborators. If you don't have an existing one, create a group chat with the desired coworkers. In the chat message box, select the loop components icon. This pops up a list of available components. Choose the desired loop component. The selected component is now inserted into your new message. Enter the content. Finally, click on Send to send the message in the chat. Other chat members can now make inline edits to the content. You can also use it to mention people within the content of the component. This is useful for task lists where you can add assignees to a task or when you need to ask certain people for input within the content. How to edit loop components is mentioned earlier. Loop components can be easily edited inline. Just click on the message containing the component. Drop your cursor at the point you want to edit, and start typing. Type to insert elements like dates, mentions, images, and even other loop components. Type to add a comment. How to share loop components. Creating a loop component in a Teams chat automatically shares it with all group chat members. You can check the current access of components and modify their permissions by accessing the sharing settings. To share an existing loop component in another chat, click on Copy Link. Go to the other chat box, and paste the copied link as a new message. You can also share the copied link across other Office.com apps like Outlook and Whiteboard. How to manage loop components. Loop components are stored as loop files in your OneDrive. You can access, search, edit, delete, and restore these files like any other OneDrive file. So, if you move the folder in your OneDrive, the loop components might stop working, depending on the permissions of the new location. On Teams, clicking the hyperlink title of the loop component allows you to navigate to its OneDrive location. Align your team with loop components. Loop components on Microsoft Teams are a testament to how the simplest of tools can significantly impact real-time collaboration. Why not give it a try and boost your team's productivity with loop components?